1 Thessalonians 4 verses 13 to 18. Brothers, we don't want you to be ignorant about those who have fallen asleep or to grieve like the rest of men who have no hope. We believe that Jesus died and rose again, and so we believe that God will bring with Jesus those who have fall asleep in Him. According to the Lord's own word, we who are still alive, according to the Lord's own word, we who are still alive, who are left till the coming day of the Lord, will certainly not precede those who have fallen asleep. For the Lord Himself will come down from heaven with a loud command, with the voice of archangel, and with a trumpet call of God, and the dead in Christ will rise first. After that, we who are still alive and are left will be caught up together in the clouds to meet the Lord in the air, and so we will be with the Lord forever. Therefore, encourage each other with these words.